Hello guys, today's topic is an essay, The Value of Traveling. We travel for business, we travel for sightseeing, we travel for necessity, but a very few in our country travel to acquire knowledge. In Western countries, traveling is a necessary part of education. Educational value of traveling can hardly be described. Bacon says that traveling in younger age is a part of education. In the elder, a part of experience. Traveling teaches us better than books. Sense organ is not very powerful factor. The eyes are very essential in learning. We read of the existence in the past of a university called Nalanda. They say that there were 100 lecture rooms. We think this is a fact of imagination. Run to the spot, your doubt will at once be removed. Traveling gives us an opportunity for getting practical experience of the world. Pope, the poet, sings that the power study of mankind is man. The traveler comes into contact with various types of people. If a traveler moves about with keen eyes and opens the door of his mind, he can get a lot of knowledge about men and things which no book can give. Traveling is also essential for the healthy growth of mind. The mind's health, says Tagore, cannot be maintained on the ration supplied by the books in our classrooms. Traveling broadens our outlook. It makes us liberal in the thought and outlook. It depends our sympathies. The experience enables us to see things from a new angle of vision. It develops us a correct sense of value. We can learn different languages and cultures due to traveling. Traveling gives us a practical knowledge of trade and commerce. A visit to the commercial centers teach us more of commerce than all the books of commercial library. Personal contact helps to build and expand business. It quickens trade. Traveling brings us closer to nature. To a traveler, nature becomes a living thing. It speaks in a language more impressive than any pen can make. It is very essential that students should have every chance of travel. Our schools and colleges should make arrangements for the funds. The railway authorities should issue very cheap tickets for students to give chance to travel. To take the full advantage of traveling, we must have eyes to see, ears to listen, and a desire to learn. Thank you.